Morning, Fastcap. Lukas here with an improvement. So in the caps bay, used to be that all of the bin locations for all of your Fastcaps just said 180, which is the location of the caps bay. And so when you got an order with a bunch of Fastcaps like this one, you'd come in and going in order of your order, you'd have to find your caps and jump back and forth. So you'd go from 9/16 medium oak, somewhere in this area, then you'd go to Naughty Pine down here, then you'd jump to Manitoba Maple back this way, then you'd be jumping over to your 18mm over here, and all of them you would just have to know where to find the caps based on what section they were in: 18mm, pre-finished, unfinished, or 9/16. So what I did is I added a bin location for every Fastcap. So now your order will print out like this, and it'll sort them in order of bin location. So we have bin locations starting at 1 at the beginning of the 18mm. They're labeled every 10, 1 through 10. Then you got 11 through 20 here going down, and they'll sort in order. So for example, your first one here says 180.26, 18mm fog gray. So if we go to 21 through 30, come down, find fog gray right there at 26. Then our next one is at 28, so that's 2 down from there. That's your 18mm black, and it's going to take you in a U shape down this side, over to here, and then back up this side and back out of the caps bay. And then here's where it gets really cool. Brady helped me figure this out and do some experimenting and make it work right. So used to be that when you print your orders for your labels for an order, you would have to figure out, do you have a regular order, a today's order? In that case, you would take the barcode up here for order number. You would go to the orders tab and you would dink into the number field here. However, if you had an online order like this one with no barcode on the top right, just the invoice number, you would have to flip to your back page and find the barcode on the top of the invoice. Then you would have to come switch tabs to invoices and scan in from your back page. So we changed that around, and now there's a barcode on the bottom left of all of the online orders, and this has the order number in it. And so if you leave this always in orders and never switch tabs, you'll never have to go to the back page for your onlines. You'll just take this barcode on the front page, bottom, dink it there, and it's going to pull up all your information for this order. And the big advantage of that is that you may have noticed that your labels didn't always print in the same order that they were on your pick ticket. That's because once you're scanning an invoice number, it sorts them alphabetically, but if you scan it by order number, it sorts it by bin location. So now if you scan all your onlines by order number, your labels will come out in the order they're printed on your pick ticket, and they'll take you around the caps bay in the right order as well. And then there's no more switching tabs there, no more going to the back sheet, and no more jumping back and forth in the caps bay to find your caps.